This is spicy. I see why it says secret spicy sauce. Why I look crazy. Hello, I'm back. Danny's in the house. I feel better. I feel way better. You know what? Why am I lying to y'all? I've been over this cold about a week and a half ago. Like, I've been fine for the past week and a half. I just didn't feel like recording at the time, but I'm back. I lie also about the Disney World vlog. I had somewhere to go and I didn't have time, so I figured I'll just upload this. To quickly get into this mukbang or whatever, mukbang, however you say it. I'm going to be eating some salad because I'm supposed to be healthy, and I'm eating this secret sauce. It's spicy. I never had. Well, my parents and my brother had this sauce. That's why it's by Empty. But I never had it, so please shut up. Start off this bang with, ooh, that's a lot. Okay. So I'm going to be talking to myself as I do this mukbang because I did not feel like pulling up any questions. I just don't feel like doing anything. I don't, because I'm mad that school is right around the corner. Today is, what is today? August 5th. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I have 14 days, which is actually 2 weeks from today. Wait a minute. So we go back to school on a Thursday? So I'm mad because it seemed like summer went by this is okay. I'm sorry. Summer went by really quickly. Summer went by too quickly. I almost don't want to go back physically. I want them to continue virtually because I'm trying to finish the salad for the sake of the video. I want to do it virtually. Because the coronavirus is starting to slowly rise. It's starting to slowly rise because cases are rising. People are catching it more. And on top of that, the Delta is going around, which I think is the coronavirus. I don't know what the Delta is, to be honest. Then there's another virus going around. So I don't know if they should do physical school because it's too much stuff going around in the world. Jesus. Because I'm sorry, I was just thinking of something in my head. I don't know if they should be doing it virtually because I meant physically because it's too much stuff going around in the world. But they should continue to do it virtually because there's too much stuff going around. But to talk about me, I'm back with these videos and I don't think they should be doing this virtually because I keep saying virtually. I'm sorry, my words are starting to get twisted up because I'm sorry. This is spicy. I see why it says secret spicy sauce. Why I look crazy. I look crazy. I'm sorry. You know what? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as